The Canon EOS M50 is a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera that sits at the entry-level end of Canon's M series lineup. It combines the proven 24-megapixel sensor and Dual Pixel CMOS Autofocus of Canon's higher-end mirrorless and DSLR models with a more compact form factor and user-friendly ergonomics. Dual Pixel Autofocus covers a significant portion of the image sensor and results in snappy, accurate focus acquisition. A new Digic 8 processor enables 4K video at up to 24p, a first for Canon's EOS M range. Full HD video up to 60p is also possible, with full autofocus support and no crop. Despite the M50's tiny form factor, it includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting, touch-sensitive rear screen. The screen can be used to place the desired autofocus point by touch, as well as to scroll through and zoom into captured images. The M50's user interface is intended to be as simple as possible for first-time camera users, without sacrificing the kind of creative control that more experienced photographers will expect. Built-in Wi-Fi has become an expected feature in entry-level cameras, but the M50 is the first Canon interchangeable lens camera that can automatically transfer JPEGs to your smartphone once they have been paired. For more information on the Canon EOS M50, visit dpreview.com.